guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell button below. So for the past year, I've been using this Logitech headset for my work from home headphones, and I found it very uncomfortable after about an hour of meetings due to the thin foam here. So my ear feels a bit sore after about 2 hours talking in Zoom. So I decided to get a new headset. So during the 99 sale in Lazada, I found this JBL Quantum 200. So I ordered them. It was on sale. It's around 1,800 pesos only, and it comes with some freebies inside. So okay, let's open the box. Okay, so here's the JBL Quantum 200 inside the box. So it's in the latest JBL packaging, and with this we have also a Veger power bank. So this is the Veger model VP 1018 with a 10,000 milliamperes capacity, and it has two outputs for USB, one for 1 ampere, another for 2 amperes charging. This is a great deal. Aside from the 1,800 peso value, which is about 50% of the regular price, you got a 10 milliampere power bank. Okay, let's check out the features. So the JBL Quantum provides the quantum signature of JBL. It's light and durable. There's a voice focus boom microphone, and it's compatible to a lot of platform, like you got Windows, Mac, PlayStation, Xbox, in your iPhone. So the signature, or the quantum sound signature, varies a bit different from the regular headsets of JBL, as this is focused more on gaming. So it gives a little more of like a three-dimensional sound, especially when you're playing PC or console games. Okay, let's open up and check the inside. So the headset is a wired over-ear gaming headset with a flip-up mic that automatically mutes when you put the mic up. Now it also comes with this PC splitter. So the main difference of the 200 to the 300 model is that the 300 has the USB type connector adapter, and if you don't really need that, I would suggest you just get the 200 because it's cheaper than the Quantum 300. So the material is very light. It's plastic, and you got their JBL logo here on the side. So it's nicely wrapped with this plastic protective covering, and so here's the flip mic, which you can actually bend and adjust to make it closer to your mouth. The headsets can be turned to 90 degrees if ever you wanna put it on your neck. So aside from the logo on the headphones and the earpiece, you also have this nice logo on top of the head, which also has a nice cushion, and you can adjust the length of the headphones so it will fit your head comfortably. You have this volume adjustment here at the back, so you can adjust the volume on the earpiece, but this doesn't affect the gain or the volume coming in from the mic. So basically this is the content of the package, and here it is side by side with my old Logitech headphones. So here's how it looks like while wearing it. And if you guys are curious about the sound quality, so I'm currently using it now on my voiceover. Let me know what you think in the comments section below on the sound quality of the mic. There you go, guys. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and click the subscribe and bell button below. Thanks, guys. See ya.